I am going to show you from workplace to casual with BLOOMCHIC. So the first pieces that I have here are these beautiful stretchy trousers. I really love these. They are so flattering. And I got this cute little cami top here, and this is the casual part of this outfit. Now I am pairing it with my notorious black heeled booties. Love these shoes, they're very professional. And to make this a great workplace outfit, you can just throw over a cardigan. Here is a beautiful cardigan. It is lightweight from BLOOMCHIC as well. Love the fit on it. Like I said, it's a very lightweight. This is great for those business days or the days you have to have business casual. This outfit is perfect for that. Here is the material. It is very soft. It does have a tapered sleeve. Absolutely love it. And this color right here is perfect for fall. Love these functional buttons. Also some pockets. Look at this. As you can tell, I'm glowing because I'm absolutely in love with this. These are the BLOOMCHIC denim. These do have 2 buttons and a zipper. These are high grade denim jeans, you guys. You are not going to beat BLOOMCHIC's denim. Now, that being said, these are a size 18 to 20 and I am a size 12 to 14. I actually ordered these in the wrong size, but that's okay. If I did get the right size, the length is absolutely perfect on these. Love the dark wash too. It's very slimming. I could actually pull these off, just put a belt around it. It's perfectly fine. This top. Look how professional this top looks. And it's also, you can wear it casually. You can wear it to the store. You can wear it out to eat. There's so many different ways you can wear this top. Now, it does have a nice neckline here. Very adorable. Look at these little ruffles. Look at these ruffles. It's loose fitting. Love it. Look at the sleeves. Last outfit here is this. This is like a hoodie type of top. It does have a little pocket here. This is a very business casual attire here. You can either wear it to work or for leisure. These pants here are the perfect length. Now the size again is a little off. I sized up when I shouldn't have, but that's my fault. These are high grade denim. Hooded sweatshirt or hooded shirt here is very lightweight. Love this olive green color here. It's absolutely stunning. It's perfect for fall. Okay, last but certainly not least is this beautiful peacoat type of jacket. This is a high quality jacket. It does not have pockets. These are faux pockets. It does button up, so you can wear it buttoned up or you can wear it open, which I would wear it open for personal preference. Here is what it looks like. The arms are great length and it is a very high quality peacoat. I love it, you guys. So if you liked this video, give me a big thumbs up. You guys, if you were interested in any of these clothing items, go to the links below. And don't forget to use my discount code, which will also be down below, so you can get 15% off your entire order. So you guys, I'll see you in my next video.